In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all notebooks from Evernote Desktop. First, open the Evernote Desktop app and make sure you're signed in and everything is synced. It helps to let the app finish syncing so your most recent changes are included in the export. Next, head to the left sidebar and select Notes. This view aggregates every note from every notebook in your account. Exporting from here ensures you're capturing all your content in one go, effectively downloading everything across your notebooks. Look toward the top right of the Notes view for the three-dot More Options menu. Click it to open the Actions menu. If you don't see it, try widening the window or making sure the Notes list is active. Choose Export from the menu. You'll be prompted to pick a format. ENEX, or Evernote XML, is the best choice for a complete backup or if you plan to move your notes to another Evernote account or a compatible Notes app. It preserves structure and is designed for re-import. Single web page creates an HTML file that's easy to open in any browser, but it's better for quick viewing rather than a long-term, fully restorable backup. You'll also see options to include note attributes. Keep these selected to preserve important context such as created and updated dates, tags, reminders, and other metadata. This makes your export far more useful if you ever need to restore or migrate your notes. Attachments and images contained in your notes will be included automatically by the export. When you're ready, click Export. Your computer will ask where to save the file. Choose a familiar folder and give it a clear name and date so you can find it later. Evernote will generate the file and show progress while it compiles your notes. That's it. By exporting from the Notes view with attributes included, you've created a comprehensive backup that covers all your notebooks. Keep the file in a safe place, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your notes are protected and ready to import whenever you need them.